Hi viewers, I'm Sannappa Rajan. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a program for AC control for data centers. Okay, so this is for 2 AC duty standby with timing basis with high temperature alarm. Okay, high temperature alarm input. So how we can run 2 AC with duty standby in timing basis. Okay, so we will see how we can do this program. First, we will configure timing. So 24 hour, I'm going to configure this timing for 6 hour duty standby timing mode. Okay. So the first AC will run 6 hour, then the second AC will run 6 hour, then the first AC will run again 6 hour. So each AC will run per day 12 hour with a 6 hours break. Okay. So I'm selecting full week. Zero means midnight 12 to 6. Okay. And second timing from 12 to 18. Okay, now we made timing setting. Now we have five inputs, two inputs from auto selector and two inputs from AC trip signal and one input from high temperature alarm. Okay, if the duty AC runs, if it is trips, then the standby will run automatically. Even if the temperature goes high, the from temperature thermostat we will get a alarm signal that will trigger the standby unit to run. Okay, so we will see how we can make the configuration. First we will keep timer in no contact, then AC1 auto, then AC1 trip. Okay, AC1 trip. Okay, now we will connect output Q1, AC1 on. Now we will connect it. Okay, now this if it is duty, then if it is trip, then AC2 should run. Okay, when AC2 runs, if AC2 run trips, then this should AC1 should on. So we will make that configuration also. AC2 trip. AC2 trip and high temperature alarm. Okay, Now we made program for AC1. Then the same configuration we have to make for AC2 with different inputs. Will be must be NC contact of the timer. Okay. AC2 auto. AC2 trip. Okay. This is AC1 trip. Same high temperature alarm configuration. Okay, so now we will test it. Make bigger window. Simulation. Okay, so now we have 5 inputs: AC1 and AC2 auto, AC3 and AC4 each AC trips, and sorry, input 1 input is auto command, and input 3 and 4 is trip command, trip signal, that means trip input, and input 5 is high temperature alarm input. Now we will keep 2 AC in auto mode. Okay, we should have kept this NC contact. Okay, AC1 trip, AC2 trip. Okay, so as per our timing, our AC1 is running, so we will change the timer and we will see. So AC1 will run till 18, so we will change our timing around 19. So now AC2 is on. Okay, so if the time changes, the AC1 is running now. Okay, so now if in case if AC1 is running, if it is trip, so AC1 is trip. Okay, so automatically AC2 turns on. Okay, the same for AC2 also, vice versa, it will work. Okay, now AC2 is running. If AC2 trips, the AC1 will run. Okay, while AC1 or AC2 running, if the high temperature alarm comes, the both AC will run. Okay, so this is how you can control 2 AC with duty standby in timing basis. Okay, so this is especially used for data center AC applications. Okay, so I hope you understand and you can do yourself for your projects. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please let me know through comments. If you are new for my channel, please do subscribe for my channel for more videos. Okay, so if you need any other logic or configuration, please comment me. I will make you configuration. Okay, so I will meet you in next video with another application with configuration. Okay, till then, bye from Sannaparajan.